Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a remedy that you can use to clean your tongue. As you know, we have a spongy tongue that carries quite a lot of bacteria. So and it smells. For most people, their tongue smells. So what you really want to do is to use lemon and some other remedy that I'm going to be showing you here today. Okay, we all know that because lemons are very vitamin and nutrient rich, they are known for their cleansing properties and often an added bonus during exfoliation. Just as you use lemon to exfoliate along with some other ingredients to exfoliate your skin, you can also use same lemon along with some other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you this afternoon or today to actually exfoliate, do something of that nature to your tongue, so that you'll be able to get rid of all the unnecessary white coated bacteria that makes your tongue smell when you talk. Okay, so this is a very good ready-made that I'm making. So lemon can be used for the same purpose in addition to powdered alum to remove smelling white coated bacteria and debris from your tongue. How do you do this? You can use lemon and you can also use lime. I'm using lime because it's much more powerful. I've already squeezed half of my lime. You just need half of a lime, or depends. I think one is enough for you. Half of a lime or lemon is enough for you. Then the next thing you need is you can use a crushed alum. You can use a crushed alum. This is alum. Or if you want, you can grind it, crush it. If you want to crush it, I have a thing that I can use to crush it. It's totally up to you. You can either crush it, or you can also, let me bring I use this mortar thing to crush my alum. So it's totally up to you. You don't necessarily have to use that, but it's very useful if you do that. So you can also use some other maize to crush your alum. So I'm going to use this one to crush mine. Oh boy, this alum is very hard. So it's very hard, so I'm just going to use it as it is. Another way you can use this alum is to use a grinder. I have a small bowl right here that I can use to grind it into this small bowl where I already have my lemon squeezed into. So you can do this. That's another thing you can do. So it's coming out. As a matter of fact, this is the best way to do it. So you can do that, or you can just throw it in to the lemon and allow it to kind of melt. So I prefer to kind of do this because it's coming out. Okay, I think I have enough now, so let me see. Let me put a little bit more. Okay, so I have a small one right here. I'm going to just throw it into my liquid, into the liquid right there. So, and then I'll mix it together. So I have my lemon, my lime. You can use lime, you can use lemon. I have my lime, and I also have my alum. The alum will help you It's very, very powerful. It will help scrape those bacteria out of your mouth. So, and then what you need at this point, I'm just going to allow it to kind of melt a little. It's melting very fast too. So I'm going to allow the small one I throw in to melt a little bit more, because it's, see, so when you put this on your tongue, it will scrape those white dirty coated stuff from your tongue easily. And this is what you want to do. Mix everything together, and usually I keep my toothbrush, and I change my toothbrush every 2 months, sometimes every 3 months. Okay, you're supposed to change your toothbrush very often. It's not something you use for too long. So, but I also keep my toothbrush here, and I usually wash them with hot water, a very hot water, unbearable hot water, before I use them every morning. Okay, I've already brushed my teeth, so now I'm just going to use this, put this on, and so let's just pretend these are my teeth right here. So you just rub it onto your teeth, and it will remove the coated debris from your tongue. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to the video. See, this is really melting. So subscribe to the video, like it, and also share this video with everyone. I'm going to show you the pictures of the before and after of my tongue. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.